Hi guys, welcome to the d2l English online program from University of San Francisco. This video is just to help you out a little bit about how the course it is. So here, as you can see, this is the main page of the class. You can see it from here. Here you will be able to see the NRC and all the information. What can you see here? On the right side, you will see all the events that you can do. For example, the first one that you need to do, it will be a video note. Here on this side, here where it says calendar, you can see all these events, and here you have all the upcoming events. As you can see, these are all for level 7, but if you are from a different level, these will be very similar because all the activities will be here. If you want to see more here, you can just click on show more and you will see all the rest. What are the most important elements of your class? First of all, this is your main page. I would suggest you to go here where it says syllabus and content, and here you can see the syllabus and content. Please review the syllabus so you can actually know everything that you need to do. Here you have the vision, the general objective, all the topics that you have unit by unit. Remember that I'm showing you level 7, but all the levels exactly the same structure. You need to study 10 units altogether. Here you can see unit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all. As you can see, here on the left side you have the content, on the right side you have the MyELT content that you need to do on the lab. I will explain you the lab in a little bit. Here you have the methodology. Here it's really important because you can see how your grade will be done. In this case, for level 7, you have the online workbook, forum, representation, video conferences, midterm, final exam, and 3 writing assignment. You can actually check what you need to do in your own syllabus. The next page that is really important, here you can actually check the schedule. Here where it says content browser, you can see the instruction. In case you are a student who's studying an online degree, you will have to buy your own book. So here you need to create your username and password, and here you have the video tutorial how to download your ebook and how to create your MyELT account. What is MyELT? MyELT is your workbook online. In case you can't follow the instruction in English, you can actually have the same exact instruction in Spanish. We will see the workbook in a little bit. So what else? What else is really important? Here also you can see the schedule. What is the schedule? The schedule is actually the deadline that you have for each unit. As I told you, you need to do 10 units. It means that in order to study unit 1, you can study from March 21st to March 27th. These are the dates among which you can study. This means that if you have any forum, if you have Dropbox activity or assignment that you need to do or everything else, it has to be done within these deadlines. Okay, so please make sure you check this. For example, your midterm will be on Sunday, April 17. The oral exam will be between the 7th of May and the 8th of May, and the final exam will be exactly on this date. Okay, please make sure you check these dates so you are currently sure what are the deadlines for each activity. What else do we have here? Here also on the content browser you have the instruction. You have the instruction for the MyELT, for your book, and you also have the instruction for the video conferences. You will have 4 video conferences. Your teacher will post the dates for the video conferences. What is really important is that you need to have a microphone and a webcam. Not participating in the class means that you will not receive a grade. Only active student will receive a grade for the video conference. Okay, so please make sure that you follow all of these instructions. How do we make the video conferences? Video conferences will be done through WebEx. Your teacher will give you a link or a code that you can actually use in order to enter to the class. What else? Here, as you can see, we have the Dropbox. What is the Dropbox? Dropbox means that you will have a few activities that you need to do. How do you access these? You can actually access it from here, where you have the writing assignment and the dates by when you need to do. Be careful, if you do not follow these dates, your teacher will not accept late assignments, so be really careful. Another thing that you need to pay attention to is that if you check on the schedule, it will tell you when, I can show you here, when you have to do activity by activity. It is in your calendar, but you can also check it here. For example, discussion, writing, okay, all these activities are here in your calendar. Also, you will have a few forums that you need to complete. In order to see your classmates' forum, you need first to publish something. How do you do it? For example, your first, okay, how do I do my video post? So first of all, I click on the forum. Remember, please check if this is a video post or if this is a writing post. The title will tell you if you need to do a video or not. So for example, here, what do? I need to start a new thread. I put the title, so in this case, it will be Annalisa. How do I do it? Here, it says insert stuff. So I insert something. As soon as it will change, it will tell me video note. Okay, so I do a video note. Everything will appear to me, so I don't need to record on any other device. I can just do it from here. Remember, you can only do a 3-minute video. Okay, so here, first of all, I need to allow the video. Well, in cases I'm recording, it won't work, but here your face will appear here, and I just need to record. As you can see here, it says 3 minutes, and here your face and whatever you're saying will appear. So what can I do here? I just put stop. Here, if I press play, I can actually see what I just recorded. Here it's actually uploading, so I can write a title. If you want, you can write a description. Next, and then will ask me to check it. If this is okay, I can refresh the preview if you want. I can just insert what I've done. Okay, once I have it inserted, as you can see, it's here. I just need to post it. Okay, so this is how I do the video. If you just want to do the same thing but in writing, here you can just start the thread. You write the title and you start writing. Oh, guys, I believe that. Then you keep on writing and then you post. Once you've posted, then you can actually see your classmates' opinions, and then you will have to comment on at least 2 of them in order to get the grade. Here, as you can see, it says writing forum rubric. So please read the rubric in order to know what you're doing. Now here, in the last session, it says quizzes. Right now, you can see there is a final exam that will be also your midterm exam. So at the moment, you will just go here and you will just take the exam. The midterm exam and the final exam will be available only during these dates. So please check on the calendar. Remember, I told you at the beginning that the calendar told you when the exams are. Just to review on our schedule, just to make sure you understood it. Here you can actually see that the midterm will be available only on April 17, and the final exam will be only available on May 13. No other days. Okay, you only have one attempt. So this was for the general class, so you know what is going on. And here where it says grades, you can actually check your grade and see how you're doing. One more thing, here I want to show you how the lab will work. The lab means your homework. Okay, how does it work? First of all, here, what is the page? The page I can show you here is myelt.highlight.com. Okay, you can just type it on, you can just Google it, and this is the page that you will actually see. Here you can change the language if you want. Here it shows you how to create a student account. Actually, in your d2l, I wrote all the instruction in Spanish and English, but if you want to see the video, here you have a video. So how it works: first you need to create your own account. Once you have your account, you just type in your username and your password, as I did here. So as I told you, this is for level 7, but since I created my account in the correct way, here I can see my course and my assignments, and here I can see my book. The self-study is not actually graded, so you can have access to it as many times as you want, and it will be really good for you to study and review before the exam. Here it tells you how many days you left on your license. Here, this is the one, and your teacher will actually give you a course key. As you can see, this is my course key. And in case you made a mistake and you only see your book, you don't see your teachers, you see, you can only see self-study but not the name of your teacher, you probably made a mistake here. So you just go add a resource, and here you just need to enroll in a class. You enroll, save and go, and here you type the code, exactly very similar to this, and this will be a code that your teacher gave you. Okay, so let's go back a little bit to my main page, just to show you what you need to do. So here are all your assignments. So for example, I don't have any assignment. Okay. Oh, okay. So as you can see, here are all the assignments that I need to do divided by units. Actually, as you can see, I have the due date, the day by when I can take it, and how many times I can take it. Here it tells me if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, or as many times I can take. Normally it's 2 times. And here I can actually take it. Okay, here I can see those that I took, and I can see my grade and the percentage and when it was the last time and when it's due. This will work for all my assignment from unit 1 through unit 10. As you can see, all the units will have a specific date. Here I can also see only those that I still haven't taken and I still can take. In this case, since the course has already finished, I do not have time to take it because it was an older course. Here, when I go to grades, I can actually see all the grades that I have unit by unit. Okay, and I can see everything. If you actually want to go to my self-study, as you can see here, it says unlimited, and I can use all these activities to study on my own in case I need to retake it. Be careful that the last activity for each unit is a writing session. I'm talking about level 7. So you will have to write a short paragraph, and your teacher will actually correct that paragraph. Here you can actually see completed activity. This is completed, and those that you might have not finished or are still in progress, you will see as this. This percentage here is how much you have done of that activity. If you have any other questions,